Today's grammar topic is neither nor. Now, let us see how to combine two sentences using neither nor. How to connect two sentences using neither nor. We use neither nor to connect two negative alternatives. When there are the two negative sentences, to combine these two sentences into one sentence, we use neither nor correlative conjunctions. The name is correlative conjunctions. What does it mean? In the next coming videos, let us see. First, now let us see how to combine two sentences using neither nor. Friends, if you are watching this video for the first time, our channel for the first time, please subscribe it. Already subscribed, please try to share it to the needy people. Now let us come to the topic. The clerk is not honest. He is not efficient. He means the clerk. Here first say subject, here subject. Two subjects are same. When two subjects are same, first you write the subject. That is the clerk. First look at the given two sentences. If the two sentences have the same subject, you write subject. Next, what is the verb? Is. So write same one, so write the same verb. Here negative word, here negative word. In the first place you use neither. In this sentence, whatever the remaining part, you write here honest. The clerk is neither honest. Cancel full stop. Already he is subject verb same and cancel. Here in the negative place you write nor. Neither nor. This is the combination. Neither always nor. Neither nor. And the remaining words we have to write as it is. That is efficient. In this way, we have to combine the given sentence into neither nor. Remember friends, here in the first sentence I have given the subject and verb same. Different sentences are given. So first sentence, let us see. I will explain the remaining sentences now itself. Here subject same. Here verb same. So whatever the same common factors we write here. In the first negative you write neither. In the first sentence, whatever the remaining word or words you write, cancel the common factors and negative changes to nor, remaining words as it is. This is the first sentence. I think you understood it well. Now let us see another sentence. His speech brought no credit to him. His speech brought no prestige to his party. So here also subject same. This is be form, this is main verb. That is why I have given more or less the same. That means the same thing, that is his speech subject brought verb. Now negative word begins. So write the negative word. First negative word place you write neither. His speech brought neither credit to him. The total remaining all different. That is why we have to write this is the different part. We write as it is. Then the negative sentence in the second one, that is no, changes to nor. After negative word, whatever the words we find, you write here. That is prestige. Prestige to his party. In this way, we have to change the given sentence using neither nor. Once again, see, his speech brought no credit to him. His speech also brought no prestige to his party. This is the different thing, and here these two, subject and verb, these two same. That is why we begin the sentence with the subject, his speech, next verb, brought. In the first negative word, we write neither, the remaining words, neither credit to him. In the second negative one, we write nor, continuous, prestige to his party. Now let us say the third sentence. He does not like it, he does not need it. If we observe this sentence carefully, here the subject, here the subject, both the two subjects are same. So cancel this subject and write this subject here. Does not like, this is the verb. Does not need, this is the verb. The two verbs are different. When the two verbs are different, we begin neither first. That means we write neither first. This negative word not changes to neither. Here look at, when two subjects are same, we write the subject first. Then the verb is different. Here like, here need. When the two verbs are different, we begin neither and then we write the verb. So here this negative word changes to neither. Does like, this is the verb. That means simple present tense, verb 1, yes. Does like changes to likes. Does like changes to likes. Now this is the object, this is the object. Both the two objects are same. That means next we write this does cancel and here we write another negative word nor. Once again listen. Here two subjects are same. Here two objects are same. So two subjects are same. First write subject, cancel one subject. Next verbs are different. Begin neither, negative neither. Does like changes to likes. This negative word changes to nor and here need, does need changes to needs. And here this object, cancel the second object and write the first object here. This is the way to change the sentence using neither nor. Sometimes let us see, they will give like this, neither dash. So this is neither is a negative adverb, negative. Whenever a negative word is given and you are asked to write the sentence, we have to use inversion. That means a question structure. This is called inversion. So here, he subject likes verb 1s. That means simple present tense. Does like, already not negative. Does like changes to does he like. Does he like. He likes. Does he like. The first sentence you change it into question structure and the remaining part you write as it is. That is nor needs it. It is important in higher level examinations. Inversion. Otherwise whatever it may be. Neither dash. Sometimes they will give like this. Neither he does like it. Neither he likes. The sentence is wrong. When neither begins, here we write a question structure. When we have neither, here combination is only nor. Sometimes we find O or R, that is wrong. Both wrong and wrong. Neither combination nor. I think you understood it. Now let us see another sentence. Siri did not take her food. Pranavi did not take her food. If we observe these two sentences, we can understand here subject Siri, here subject Pranavi. The two subjects are different and the remaining part is the same. Here subject totally different. When we have the two different subjects, we begin the sentence with neither. We begin the sentence with neither because the two subjects are different. After neither, you write the first subject, that is Siri. Next, you keep another negative word, that is nar. You write another subject, that is Pranavi. That is Pranavi. Neither first subject nor second subject. And the remaining part as it is we have to write. Here not changes to neither, here not changes to nor. Did verb 1 changes to verb 2 past tense, that is took. Neither Siri nor Pranavi took her food. This is the way we have to write, but be careful. This sentence is very important. Neither Siri nor Pranavi took. Here took means verb 2 past tense. No problem. Sometimes, for example, imagine if here we have verb 1s, simple present tense, or be form, which subject is important? When two subjects are connected with neither nor, the second subject acts as the subject of the total sentence. That means this verb should be according to this subject. Another important, if there is a singular subject and a plural subject, we write the plural subject nearer to the verb and singular subject here. This is also important point. 2 points, singular subject, plural subject. We write singular subject here, we write plural subject here, and the verb follows plural subject. And this verb always follows this subject. I think all of you understood it very well. Thank you.